Flying can be fun and exciting, but this excitement can soon take a turn for the worse when you arrive at the airport. The airport can be crowded, you can be hungry and thirsty, and your bag can even get lost en route to your destination. Here are 10 travel tips and tricks to help make the airport and flying experience more pleasant. Tip number 1 is about booking your flights. If you are taking a trip that involves connecting flights, always book a connection with at least a 2-hour layover. This will give you enough time if your first flight is delayed, if you have problems navigating the airport or it's crowded. Having a longer connection time will help to reduce your stress and anxiety should your first flight depart late. Tip 2 is to always check in online. This will allow you to select your seat ahead of time, and you will be able to skip any check-in queues at the airport. All you will need to do is drop your bag at bag drop and head through to security. The third tip is to never put any home address details on the outside of your suitcase for safety reasons. It's fine to just put your name, email address, and mobile phone number on the outside rather than your home address. And following on from tip 3 is tip 4, which also relates to luggage. It's a good idea to put a piece of paper inside your bag with your name, email address, and mobile phone number on it. If your tag somehow detaches from your luggage, there will still be a way to identify your luggage and hopefully increase the chances of your luggage being reunited with you. Tip 5 is to make your luggage more identifiable. This will help you spot in on the luggage conveyor belt, help other passengers know it's not their luggage, and also make finding the luggage easier for airport officials should it get lost. Taking a photo of your luggage is also a good idea, as you can just show the photo instead of having to describe your luggage if it does get lost. Tip 6 is to make copies of your travel documents such as your passport, itinerary, and travel insurance. Leave a copy with friends or family and also upload a copy to a cloud storage facility. This will enable you to access the copies of the documents should you lose them as long as you have internet access. Tip 7 is to take an empty water bottle with you. Once you are through security, you can fill this up for free at a water fountain in the airport. This will keep you hydrated in the airport and on the plane. It will also be useful on your trip and will prevent buying a plastic single-use water bottle. Tip number 8 is to try and get lounge access. If you are a frequent flyer, you may have lounge access already, so use this. If you aren't a frequent flyer, look at what options you have, as you can normally pay a fee to access some airport lounges. An airport lounge usually has more comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and free food and drinks, making your waiting time more pleasant. Tip number 9 is to always pack a change of underwear in your carry-on luggage. If your check-in luggage does get lost, you will at least have a change of underwear with you. If you have enough space, you can even pack a full change of clothes. Tip number 10 is to pack some snacks in your carry-on luggage. These will hopefully not be needed, but will be useful if your flight is delayed or you don't enjoy the in-flight meal. I hope these tips and tricks help you on your next trip. Do you have any tips and tricks to share? Comment below if you do. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more travel content.